Today marks the beginning of a new era in civilian spaceflight. As of today, space belongs to the people.
May God speed you, our civilian passengers of the Roebling Clipper.
Oh my God.
It was a wave of cosmic rays from our sun. The Earth can survive for perhaps 2 more days, maximum.
There's nothing either of us can do to help your dad right now.
Mr. President, perhaps you'd like some time to process what's happened to your wife.
Commander Don Wincroft.
Can't do this alone, buddy.
Well, you're not coming.
Yeah, I am.
We're down to the last hours.
Can you save us?
We're gonna try.
I gotta go.
Come back soon, okay?
This is it, Don. We gotta do it.